Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Abraham. Good afternoon, Christian. Good afternoon, Peter. Good afternoon, Jimmy. Good afternoon, Zabon. Good afternoon, Victor. Good afternoon, Jackson. Okay, do you remember what was the last topic we did? Sylvain, good afternoon. Do you remember what was the last topic we did? Good. It's nice that you remember the topics. Okay. Did you try the questions? Okay, did you try the questions? Okay, I'm sharing you the screen. Read it and give a try one by one. No worries. Now try only the first question and explain you the first question, then you can do the rest. Is that okay? We'll go one by one. Try only the first question. In a class, there are 10 students and the average mark is 60. If one new student is added, their average weight is increased by 0.25. What is the mark of the new student? Try only with that question. Well, sure, you can try your best. I'm giving you some time for the first question alone. Peter, it will not be so small with 1.5. You have to check, it is so small. The value should be something bigger, closer to 60s. Jimmy, I hope your answer is correct. Let's check it. $750 is too big. 750 is too big. This Jain also gets 62.75. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, shall I solve it? Only the first one. Shall I solve it? Only the first one. Can I solve it? Okay. So now the first one, I will just write the values on the next screen and I'll explain you how to do it in 3 ways. Okay, 10 students, their average weight is 60. If one new student is added, their average weight is increased by 0.25. What is the mark? Okay. So 10 students, average is 60. Average is 60. Where one student added, so average increased by 0.25 each. What is the new average? Or the average is increased by 0.25. Clear, right? Hope it's correct. So Jim got, yes, it should be correct, Jim. Let's check it. Okay, 3 methods to do this question. I'll teach you all the 3 methods. And remember, all the 3 methods are used on different forms. It's not that you have to use only one method. Some questions may not work with one method. You have to use the second or the third method. Okay. The first method is called as the standard method, how to read a question and solve it. Or we can call it as a standard method. Okay. So how many students are there? 10. So for 10 students, average is 60. Then what is the weight of 10 students? Average is 60. Then what is the total? If 10 students, average is 60, what is their total? Ten students, average is 60. What is their total? Yes, 600. So that is into 600. Okay, 10 into, 10 into 60 gives me 600. Got it right? I'm just erasing that 0. Yes, 10 into 60 for 600 plus. We know that one new student is added. If one new student is added, now totally how many students? Now, hello Nilofer. Now total how many students are there? There were 10 students. It became 60. Now one new student is added. So total there are 11 members. Yes. So for him, that one student who added, do we know his weight or mark? We don't know. So we are taking this as X because we don't know what is added. Are you getting it? 10 into 60 plus 1 into X. Are you clear with why it is X? Are you clear with that? Because for 10 students, we know the average is 60. For the student newly added, we don't know. So we are taking X, we don't know his mark. Did you get it, Lewis? For 10 students, we know it is 60. And for the new student, we don't know what is the mark. For 10 students, it is 60. For the new student, we don't know the mark. That is what we want to find. So now total, how many members? 11. So the average was already 60 and the average has been increased by 0.25. Now what is the new average? Now what is the new average? Average was already 60. What is the new average? It is increased by 0.25. So what is the new average? For 10 students, the average was 60. Yes, it is 60.25 for 11 members. We want to find for the new member. So what we do now, just a cross multiply. Okay, and this is 10 into 60, 600. 600 plus, it's okay, Dhanishriya. 600 plus X equals to 662.75. Okay, so what is that X value? That means for the new student, that is equal to 62.75. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Are you clear? Are you clear with that? Okay, how to find the average? If there are 600 marks for total, we divided it by 10 so that we get 60. Okay, now what we do? 10 students. Good. Okay, 10 students, 60. So I'm multiplying into 60 so that I get that 600. So 10 into 60 plus one new student, we don't know the mark. We are taking it as X. So divided by, to find an average, always have to divide it by the total members. So now 10 students plus one student, total is 11 members. So divided by 11, it should give me 60.25. Okay, so 60.25. So now 600 plus X equals to 662.75. So that means this is getting cross multiplied. Now I take the 600 to the other side, subtract it with 622, 662.75, so that I get the X value as 62.75. Are you clear with the first method? Okay, now the same question, I'm teaching you the second method. Okay, this is called as standard method. We'll do that. The second method is for the shortcut. Can we try? Can we try the second method? But remember, keenly listen. If you can listen clearly, then that is so easy to get the answer. Okay. So 10 students, average is 60. So it is said as one new student is added. When that one new student is added, the average of everyone is increased by 0.25. Is that correct? Yes. Total how many members now? 11 members. So if 11 members are inside, every head count, every student head count increased by 0.25. So I'm multiplying it into 11. Total students are 11. That's why I'm multiplying it into 11. 0.25 said to be the average is increasing. I am multiplying it into 11 because everyone is increased by 0.25. Okay, now when I multiply, I will get 2.75. Now this is an increment. This is an increment. Already 60 are there and 2.25 are added. So total you get 62.75. That's all. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Ten students, average 60, 11 student, average increased by 0.25. Adamo and Lewis, this is the question. First question. Okay, Adamo and Lewis. Same question. Giving you second method. Okay, Adamo can unmute yourself. Adamo, Khalid, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I know your doubts?
My doubt is how did you arrive at this 11? You multiply 0.2, which is the average of the other students, times 11. Where is the 11 coming from?
Okay. How many students are there?
Initially, there were 10 students, then one student is added.
So 11. 10 plus 1 is 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 11
Yes,
students
sir.
are there. So if that one new student is coming, what is happening for the head counts?
That is 11. That's 10 plus 1.
If that new student comes in, what is happening?
That is plus 1.
Okay. So because of that one new student came in, what is happening?
Addition, that is 10 plus 1. It makes the number of students 11.
After that, what we have to do?
You multiply by 11. That's the new average by 11.
With what number? 11 multiplied by?
By 0.25.
Why are you multiplying with 0.25?
Because the total number of students is 11. Initially, they were 10 and 1 is added.
See here, I already have average for 10 members. Do I have? So 10 members, average is 60. Already I have it. One new member came in, so that the average is increased by 0.25. So total there are now, if one new student comes in, let's say that Adamu and his friends, 10 friends, Adamu, Annie, Daniel, Itershana, Jimmy, Krishalini, Laid, Abraham, Dhanushri, all are there. Now the 11th member as my guy is entering inside. When my guy is coming inside as 11th member, including him, including you and your friends, everybody, your average becomes 60.25. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
So what I do, that 0.25 is an increment. So I'm multiplying with 11 and adding it over here. That's all.
Okay, understood. Got
So
it now.
I do solve with average and average. Average is already 60, increase average multiplied by 11. That gives me the new mark of the students.
Okay, thank you very
Was
much, sir. I got it now.
okay. Got it?
Thank
Okay,
you.
that's great. Anybody else have
Thank you.
doubts? Anybody else have doubts? Anyone? Anyone else have doubts? Shall we go with the third method, if you're okay? Yes, Maya, you can unmute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Maya.
Yeah. So, sir, that's the answer of the mark of the new student is 2.75, no?
Increment 2.75 increment.
Yeah.
See, now I'll tell you. You are a friend. You friends are having 5 chocolates each. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So total, how many chocolates do
Yeah.
you have?
5.
Each total, each 5. What is the
Oh,
total?
each 5 of it total is 15. 25,
25.
sorry. Yeah,
Okay.
25. Yeah.
Now your friend, a friend comes in with 6 chocolates. Okay,
Yeah.
your friend comes in with
Yeah.
6 chocolates. So the average is 25 plus 6. Is that correct?
Yeah.
25 plus 6 divided by 6. Is it yes?
Why divided by 6?
Because total there are 6 members. Mean, average. How to find mean or average? Divided by total members present. This
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
friend A. This is friend B, C, D, E. And the person with 6 chocolates is friend F.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Got it, no? So then what happens? In
Yeah.
spite
Got
of
it.
5 members, it becomes 6 members. So I'm dividing it by 6. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the same case, what we do, in spite of doing in the total basis, the average of 5 members, 5 chocolates, already the average is 5. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So now, because of this new student came, everybody's average increased by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So he will also have 5 chocolates, and he is having that. It should be distributed. Okay, now I'm just erasing and rewriting it. Same. 5 students, 5 students, 5 students, 5 students, 5 students. So we know the total is 25. Okay. Now their
Yeah.
average is, any doubt in that? Their average is 5. Total is 25 and average is 5. Any doubts?
No doubt.
No doubt. The last person, the 6th person who comes, he's having 6 chocolates. How many chocolates is having more than you all?
Mm,
You have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. This person is having 6.
yeah.
Then how much is that last person having more than the other ones?
1.
1. That 1 I am splitting into 5 members. So that means 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.2. And that will get distributed even for 100. Okay, so already having 5 chocolate. For 5 members means 0 0.2, 0 0.2. Now what I'll do, I'm just erasing it to make you understand better. So 5 members, 5 members. So 5, third member 5 chocolates, fourth member 5, last member, fifth member 5. The 6, if that is 1 chocolate more, I can distribute as 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.2. But this person's cut and they have written it as 5. That 1 is divided among 6 members. So it is 1 divided by 6. Did you get that?
It's a 0.16.
Yeah, 0.16. Or I can write it as 1 by 6. Each places it's going to be 1 by 6. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much has been increased? So it is 31 by 6. So you get average as 5.1666. Got it?
Yeah.
So here also same 5, and how much it is increased each with 1 by 6 each. So the total is 5.16. That's all. I'm adding it. This will be the average. Did you get that?
Yeah, I get it.
So here what they're doing in the question, they are not giving you had 5 chocolates. They're not telling you that. They're just telling you that each and every head is increased by 1 by 6, 1 by 6, or 0.166, 0.166. Okay, they say only this information. Now, they say that one new person came inside and it increased by 0.166. So that everybody's count is increasing. Are you
Yeah.
getting it?
Yeah, I get it.
Yes. So now 10 students, average is 60. We know that. So the 11th student, when he comes in, is coming with extra 0.25, including him and others. Okay, that is getting distributed.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You got it right. So that one will be, then if I do that, then there are 11 members. I do only the increment multiplication, that is 11 into
0.25.
yes, that is giving me 2.75. So 60 plus 2.75 will give me 62.75. That's all.
Yeah, okay.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I get it, sir.
That's all. It's become so easy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great. Okay. Anybody else have doubt? Let me know before we proceed on the next question. Shall we go on the second question? Okay. This is the first question, and this is the second question. You can do it in the same methods. You can do it in the same method. Shall we try it out? If you want to try, let me know. I'm giving you time, or let me solve it. Anyone wants time, let me know, or let me solve it. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to try it. Same as the previous question, no much of difference. No, Dhanashriya, you have to check it again. It will not be so big. $22.8 or $29.28 or $37.2. We need to check. Shall I solve it? Okay, it's almost the same question as the above one. 25 students, the average is 30. So no changes. 25 students, the average is 30. So now let's say that one student left the classroom. His weight is 24. Sorry, one student left, so there are 24. His weight we have to find classroom. And the average weight is reduced by 0.30. So let's say because of this person is leaving, the weight is coming down. Then this person is heavier or lighter. Since this person is entering in, okay, in the first question, as we have seen standard method, here also we can do. In this, it is clearly given 25 students. Okay, the weightage is 30. So the weight is, her weight is 30, they have to improve it. So they're asking what to do. So 334, and with this 25 into 30 and 24 into 0.30, that means that much is gonna get reduced. So because of one person leaving, the weight is decreasing. Remember that. Because of one person leaving, the weight is decreasing. So it is 25 into 30, 24 into 0.30 will already, do they get more weight or not? Yes, right? They get more weight. Now this 24 into 3.30 is multiplied and it is added or subtracted, because it's very clearly said that, and the overweight is reduced by 0.30. One student is leaving a male. Okay, he's saying he wants to leave. Because of he's coming out, the average weight of the class is also coming out. Are you getting it? Because of his living, the whole average is also increasing. Then you should add or subtract this value, 24 into 0.30. There are 25 students. One student left. That means there are 24 students. Salini, are you clear? Salini, are you clear? There are 25 students. One student left, so that there are 24 students. Got it right? 24 students, the weight is 30. Sorry, 25 students, weight is 30. 24 students, that means their one weight is of the average has been reduced by 0.30. Now the 0.30 is multiplied. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 2, 6, 7. Most of you gave the right answer, 7.2. Now the 7.2 be added or subtracted. If added means y added, if subtracted means y subtracted. See, you have to add. Because of that person came out, the average is also coming down. If he comes out and average increases, only then subtracts. Did you get that? He is coming out and the average is also coming down. That means that new student weight how much? It should be more than the others. So I have to add. Got it right? The student who left, the student who this, okay. Did you get that? See, okay. How many of you play cricket over here? How many of you play cricket over here? Just make it fast. See, these are the basic questions. If you understand this, you will understand the shortcut. Or you have to solve it everything in the standard method. See, I'm repeating it again. If you're not understanding this, it's so difficult. Okay, see, there are 25 students. Their average weight is 30. One student came out. That means there are only 24 students. Their average is coming down. That means that one student who left, his weight is more or less than the others. That's all is the question. 25 students are there, their average is 30. 24 students, when that one student left, their average came down by 0.30. Okay, that student who left, his weight is more or less than the others. Is my question clear? If that one student left, average is coming down. That means the student who left, his weight is more or less than the others. Yes, I got only one answer. What about the rest? The question is so simple. 25 students, average is 30. 24 students, one student left, so average is also coming down. That student who left, his weight is more or less. Think and answer. 25 students, average is 30. When one student left, average is coming down. That means the student who left, his average is more or less. So what I do, my guy, I'll come back to you. 0.30 is decreased for the remaining 24 members. So multiply it. So you get 7.2. Now what you do, you have to add. Why I am adding? Because the student who left, his weight is more than the others. You have to add, rifle. You have to add. Simple concept. The student who left, his weight is more. That is why the average is coming down. Did you get it? Since his weight is more when he's coming out, your average is reducing. So I want that student's weight. So on the average, you have to add. So that person's weight is 37.2. Are you getting it? If you are not getting it, go with the standard method. 25, the first method, what we did. Do you remember? With this first method, go on. 25 into 30. If you don't work out with the shortcut, you can always go with the standard method. 25 into 30, one student left. So minus one student into X. We don't know his weight. That's equal to, now one student is left, then total there are 24 students now. 25 students, one student left. So 24 students now. That one student mark we don't know, or the weight we don't know. That's equal to average reduced by 0.30. That means 29.70. How did we get this 29.70? Average is already 30. I'm subtracting 0.30 with that. So that I'm getting 29.70. Did you get it? This is just a subtraction. If you're doubtful, how do you get this? Please do subtract it. Already the average is 30. It is decreased by 0.30. Now cross multiply it and find the X value. That's all. Okay, you go with the standard method. If you're not understanding the shortcut, please do go with the standard method. Is it done? Are you getting the same answer, 37.2? So I'll explain you the logic. Okay, I think the third method, let it be only with these two methods since you are getting more confused. Go only with these two methods. Okay, there are 30 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 30. Okay, let's say 30 members are there. Each one have their own count. Okay, now one student is leaving. Fine. So then the average is decreasing. That means his weight is more. Got it? Now I'll show you in simple way with 3 members. Let's say there are only 3 members. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. That is A, B, C. Let A, B, C average be 40. Let A, B, C average be 40. So 10, 10, and 20. If average means adding them divided by 3. I hope you know that. So now let's see is dropping. What will be their average? If C is out, what will be their average? So 40 divided by 3. Average. To find the average. So 40 divided by 3 means, so it is 13.33 will be the average. Did you get it? Fine. This is the average. Total is 10 plus 10 plus 20 divided by 3. 13.33 is the average. If C is not there, only A and B, what is the average? Only A and B, that means 20 divided by 2. What is the average? 10. Now tell me, the person who left, his weight is more or less than the others? That's all. That is what is being asked. Are you getting it? If the person who left his weight is more, then you have to add with that 0.30 into 24. If it is not, you're going to subtract. That's all. Are you clear with the second question now? Yes or no? Okay. Now we'll do the last question. Then we'll come to the third question. Don't do this. We'll do the fourth question. Then we'll come to the third question. Okay, do this question first. Then we'll come. The same method as these questions. Try with this same method. Try it. Then if you're able to read the question and get the answer, it's well and good. Or it's difficult. Do the last question. Do this question. Same method as the first and second. Third question we'll do what after doing the fourth question. Are you clear with that, Rifle? We'll solve the third one. Okay, we'll check it. That was good. You have taken an attempt, Jimmy. We'll check it. No worries. Can I solve the fourth one? 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 Or is it still somebody solving? Do you want some more time? Let me know. Okay, I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Okay. Can I solve it? Can I solve it? First, we'll do it in the standard method. Okay, so standard method says 12 students, the average is 40. So multiplying it into 40. So one student is replaced with 45 kg. Minus x plus 45. Any doubt in this? Let me know. Any doubts? Because they said a student was replaced. Okay, a student was replaced. So we don't know who is that student. So minus x. He was replaced with 45 kg. So again, I'm adding plus 45. Clear with that? Question. 12 students, average weight was 40. So 12 into 40. One student replaced. That means he's taken out and is replaced with 45. Clear? Okay. Now still how many members are there? Now how many members are there? Same 40 members. No changes. Oh yeah, 12 students. Okay. Yeah, 12. I'm sorry. Yeah, 12. So there is no change in the student count. 12, that's equal to 42. The new average is 42. That means because of this new student came in, because of this student who came in, the average has been increased by 2. So the person who left, his weight is for sure very less. So what I do, 42 into 12, 12 into 40, that is 480 minus x equals to 42 into 12, 420 plus 84. 420 plus 84. I think 504. Yes, so 504 minus 45. Find for the x value. You get in negative. Okay, minus 45. 504 minus 45 minus 480. Oh, is that 24 for sure? 504 minus 45, 459 minus 480. 24 or 21, Maiga? Can you recheck it? Is it 24 or 21? So yes, you're correct. The answer is in negative, but minus x equals to minus 21. So they both are plus x equal to 21. That's all. Understood, right? Yeah, and then 45. What about the 45? This 45 is also on the other side to subtract. Got it right? So 24 minus 45 is negative 21. Minus x minus 21 equals to 21. Yeah. Look there, I have a 45 to be subtracted. Why are you not considering that? Sayed, take a look of 45. Not only the 480, even the 45 should be subtracted. I have a 45 here which to be replaced. Got it right? Sayed and Maiga, Peter. Yeah, Peter got the answer. That's good. Peter, it is not negative 21. Minus x minus 21. X equal to positive 21 only. Are you clear with that? Shortcut. I'll teach you the shortcut, but I would bet struggle, I hope. Shall we try? Shall we try with the shortcut? Forty was the average for 12 students. No changes. So a student was removed. We don't know what was he. Now the new average, the same count of 12 students is 42. So here no changes. When I say 42, it was 40 students minus x, a student is removed, plus 45, another student is in. Got it right? Here it is all about all the students. Here it is about one student is removed and the other one is added. Got it? Yes. So here it is 480. Here it is 504. Subtracting it, just a direct calculation. This was the third method which I'm supposed to teach you. So 504, 484. So yes, you get 24 and it was been replaced by this person. So that is why it changed minus 45. So you get 21. That's it. Total 480. After replacement, it is 504. So 24. The person who came in, he is 45. I want the old person weight, so I'm subtracting it. Did you get that? Because of the replacement, the average is 42. So I'll explain this and give you another method also. 12 members, 40. Next is 12 members, 42. When that 45 was added, but still there are 40 members. Okay, so in this place of 40, so just for your understanding, minus x plus, so it again gives me 49, 40. Okay, so one member removed and one member is there. So 480 total. When it is 42, it is 504 total. So subtracting them, you get 24. And that new member who left, so who joined, he is also subtracted to get the old member's weight. That is 21. Okay, so here another method to use is 12 for 40, no changes. Next, 12 for, let's say, 11 members are 40 and the 12th member is 45. Got it, right? So yes, this is 480, no changes. So over here, what happens? 440 plus 45, 440 plus, because 11 members only count. Okay, that still doesn't mean that it should be 40. Since that member is removed and added, their average is becoming 42. 42 by 12. So 42 times 12. Okay, average is included by 2. So 440. Okay, and this 45 is a 12th member added. Okay, the other member, what was his weight? We don't know. So 12 members, 480. Okay, that is average is 40. Here for 12 members, the average is 42. But we don't know what is that one member removed and added. So that remains the same. So when there are 11 members, it should be 40. So the 12th member, in spite of being 40, is 45. So that the average is changing. Did you get it? See, 10, 12 members, average is 40. Okay, 40, 40, 40, 40. Now, again, 12 members. In that, 11 members separate and this one member separate. So he is 45. And this 11 members could be 40, let's say 40. And this one member is 45. So now, because of that, the average is 42. But one member was removed and added. So here, I will take this value as x. Okay, the reason is for the 11 members, I don't know for sure because that 1% weight could be more or less, we don't know. If it is 40 and 45, till the average 42, but that one member we don't know, so we are taking him as x. This total average as x. Got it right? Okay, same thing, 504. So for this, it's 480. And for this, it's 504 is the total. Subtracting with this value to say that minus 45 gives me 9, 3 and 4, 33. Nine minus 4, 9 minus 5. Okay, 45. This is already 4. 10. And this is This is 9 and this is 14. This is 9. 9 minus 4, 5. And this 5, 459. Okay. So 459 would be the total for these members. So we don't know whether exactly 40 was an average basis. So if this is 459 plus 45 for me to give 504, but I want the average as 42. That one member we don't know, so again it is minus 6. Okay, for 11 members, this could be the total. This could be the total plus 45 will give me, and minus that x will give me 42. That one member, again what we do in this case, we are again subtracting with the, instead of finding, this is just for the 11 members average. Okay, and in that, if I divide it by 11, I'll get an average count. Okay, not to get it complicated, we'll just go on one way. 12 members 40, no issues, I hope. Again, 12 members 42, here also no issues, but when it is 12 members 42, understand 12 members are 42, where this person is removed and the other one is added. Okay, got it right? So this is 40 into 12. This is 12 into 42, where two average, but one is removed and one is added. That removed, we don't know. That is what we see. Are you getting it? Okay, so in this, the third question, we'll come to that. When we are doing that, we will be doing something like a new topic itself, because it will just get connected with the new topic. Let's do now with the third question. In a class, there are 30 students and their average, class A, their average is 60. Class B, there are 32 students, their average is 63. What is the average mark of class A and B? Can you try? Shall I solve it or do you want to try once? Shall I solve it or do you want to try once? Let me know faster. Shall I solve it or do you want to try once? Let me know faster. Now I have a reply. Do you like to try once or shall I solve it? Can I have a reply from anyone? Oh, you got the answer 61.5. That's good, Jimmy. Can you tell me how did you get it, Jimmy? You can do with the calculation and show me. I think most of you are trying the question. Try it. Yes, Jim, it's correct, but your decimal points are not right. You have to do for one more decimal point, Jim. One more decimal point. You have stopped in between. Check it out. Simon, that was good. Mungurakama, you are only done half. One more decimal point. Can I solve it? Okay. So look here, very easy. Only in the standard method to do, nothing else. Reason there are two different classes. Okay. What is the total number of students count? What is the total number of students count? What is the total number of students count? 62. Yes. Whole divided by 62. That was good. So 30 times 60 is for class A total mark plus 32 times 63 for the class 2's total mark. Find the answer. You may not get 61.5. You will get some more decimals. If you give one more decimal, that's sufficient. So 61.54. That's all. This is leading to a new topic. Same like this, using this method, you can solve an entire concept called alligation and mixtures. Okay. Only this method can be used over there and you can solve it. There are many methods to solve these allegations. It would be much more confusing rather than if you understood the average concept, the same thing can be applied over there in the allegation mixtures. Very easy, the same method. So here, sometimes the total will be given and you have to find this, or some value will be missing and you have to find that. That's all. Would you try that method? I hope the averages is clear how to do it. Are you clear with that? 30 into 60 plus 32 into 63 whole divided by 62. Total number of students. Yes. So that would be 61.54. Can I clear the frame? Can I clear the frame? Let me know yes or no. Lowest 30 plus 32 is 62. Total number of students means class 1 strength and class 2 strength. 30 students, 32 students. 30 plus 32, 62. Okay, Lois. Okay, next, any other doubts? Any other doubts? Yes, Rifle, I have a big suggestion for you. Is it Rifle is ready to record it? Yes, record it. You don't get it? Get into the YouTube. You have all the videos of the previous classes, English, verbal efficiency, your reasoning, and of my classes, aptitude, everything. Okay, Rafal, click on that link, get into video section. You'll have all the videos line by dates. You can check it out. Click on the link and subscribe to the channel so that you might get the notification every day after the class. And you can watch the old videos too. Raf, you'll solve. Next, anybody else any doubts? Shall I take you to the next topic? Shall I take you to the next topic? Okay. I'm stopping the screen. Yes, I'm giving you more questions. Okay. Just connecting the same question to another topic. So that it could become more easier for you to solve. Okay. Just a minute. I don't want you to spend another day to solve the topics. You can just easily you can get it. So allegations and mixture. I'm almost there. Okay, just give me a fraction of seconds. So entire topic will get over. So till the topic loads, I'm just giving you the brief of the topic which we are going to do. The same method using the third question. Topic called allegation and mixture. It's under averages. Okay, but you have to solve more. I'll tell you. Here I have class A. Okay, I'll just write it as CA. Class A times class A students. Okay, plus class A times, sorry, class B times class B students, all divided by class A plus class B equal to average. So here, when I say allegation mixture, just listen carefully. In spite of class A, I will say kg of variety 1, like rice or milk, or sorry, rice or wheat, okay, or lettuce, okay, kg. And here, cost, cost per kg. That's all. That will give me total cost. Plus, kg is nothing but class A. How many? Class A mark is nothing but the cost. Okay, I'm just rechanging the arrow marks. Should not confuse you. So class A mark. So class A mark, class B mark into their strength. Here kilogram is the strength. Cost is the mark. Did you get it? Same thing. Kg into cost. Cost is nothing but the mark and kg is nothing but the number of students. 4 divided by weight of the first variety, kg of the first variety plus kg of the second variety. That's equal to the average. This is called allegation mixture. Now I'm going to give you questions based on the same. So you are going to solve it. Are you clear with that? Yeah, got it. So I'll give you 1 or 2 questions for today. Just try it out. I'm giving you in the chat box now. I'll put it in the question paper meanwhile. You need not to wait till then. Got it, right? Okay. I'll put it in the chat box. You can keep solving. I'll put it in the slide and I'll post it now. I'm going to share the screen. If you can tell me the answer for this question, I'll tell you one entire topic is over. No more effort for the other topic. None? Okay, I'll explain for this one question and would you solve the next one? Is that the deal okay? Or do you want to try? If you try, you will get the answer for sure. You want me to explain? Yes, I will do it, of course. No worries. Can I solve it? Or would you like to try? Yes, no. Can I solve it or would you like to try? Annie, the concept is nothing big. It's the same as your this question. That's all. This third question, same as the third question, you can solve it. Solve us or solve it or solve you. I don't get it. Solve us. What do you mean by us? So let us solve or let you solve or let me solve. Okay, solve it. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, in the ratio, I'm taking up the ratio of two varieties. First variety is X, second variety is Y. Any doubts? Lewis, listen to the question carefully. In between, don't say that from where did this come? I'm taking only from question, nowhere else. Okay, Lewis. Okay, first variety is X. X. The cost is 12 per kg. So 12 in X into 12 plus the second one is Y kgs. Cost per kg is 14. So the total weight is X plus Y. Very good, Abraham. Let's check it. That's equal to, they've given the mixed variety cost. That means both together will give me 13.50. Cross multiply, let's find X and Y. They're asking for the ratio. So 12X plus 14Y, that's equal to 13X, 13.5X plus 13.5Y. So now X and X on one side, Y and Y on the other side. Okay, so 13 minus X is X. That's equal to 14 minus 13.5 is 0.5. Y. Oh, 13.5. Okay, so it is 1.5 X and 0.5 Y. So X by Y equals to 0.5 gone. Yes, it is 1 by 3. So at last, Abraham was the only person to get it. That was great. So 1 is to 3. The first variety is X. The second variety is Y. Jimmy also got it. That's nice. You have to try, Annie. Even though it is wrong, you should be confident to try it. Or you cannot learn all the concepts. It will take more time. It's just you need to try using a method. You got it, right? You have some line method like this. Write X value here. So 12, this is 14, or like something like this. You have a method to do. So these things will be more confusing. Again, you have to learn methods for this. So you will take this as X, this is Y, and mixed variety is 13.50, and you will take this as 12 rupees, and this is 14 shillings for cost, and you have to subtract them. It's a long process. So in spite of confusing, we can do with the average method. Yep, sure. I'm solving it again once more. So in the question, they are given find the ratio of two methods. So two varieties. So let's say the varieties are X and Y of rice. They are mixed together. So already the cost is given for one variety is 12, the next variety is 14. When I try to mix them, the variety costs 13.50. The variety of the first one is X kg costing 12 shillings plus Y variety costing 14 shilling. Both together is X plus Y equals to 13.50. So how do I compare here as this is class A strength. Okay, class A strength times mark plus class B strength times mark whole divided by class A strength plus class B strength. That is equal to average. As you did here, the same thing. Okay, 30. This is 30 into 60, and this is 32 into 63, whole divided by 30 plus 32. That is equal to 13.5. Oh my God. Rightful, if you solve it, you will get 1.5x equals to 0.5y. You have a ratio topic. Please do go through that in the video. You might get it. So x by y equals to 0.5 divided by 1.5. You have to simplify it in fifth times table. So 5 times table, this is 1 time, this is 3 times. That is the way you get 1 by 3. Okay. Yeah, simplify it. Can I give you one more question on the same method? Hardly 6 minutes. You say yes, we'll do it fast. Yeah, same kind of question, just stopping. I'll take 60 seconds from yours. I'll try to reduce my time, but still, I'm trying to find the same kind of question. Okay. Got one, but I just want to give you variety. Okay. Okay, I'll just give you the same kind of question. No changes. Okay, same kind, but not the same values. Oh, it's a picture. Just a minute. Almost there. 1, 2, 3. It's a picture. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Here you go with the question. Hardly now 4 minutes to solve the question. Rafael has to fill an attendance form. I'm sure that if you scroll up on your chats, you'll have an attendance form. Please do fill it without fail. Yes, it's very easy. You can do a mind calculation. So easy. 3.5y plus 1, okay, equals to 1.5x. So x by y equals to 7 by 3. That's it. It's done. So he is x and he is y. 15x minus 16.50 is 1.5. 16.50 minus 20 will give me 3.5. Simplify, then you get that much. So easy. That's right. It's 7:3. Okay. Are you all getting it? Are you all getting it? Yeah. That's great. Fine. Again, I'll give you some more allegation and mixed questions for the next class. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Fine. So let's wind up for the day and try with this question again. So then this topic is also done. We're just running off 2 topics for this week. We can complete it. We will be on track. Okay with that? Is that okay? Yes. Okay. Have a great day. And okay, that's okay. Yeah, you can click on the attendance form. The homework, I'll just give you some questions or, okay. Okay, you can get into the step up website. You have the question papers over there with the topics. You can get it. You have plenty of questions to solve. Okay. You have plenty of questions to solve. Get it into step up website. There you have plenty of questions to solve. No worries at all. Rafael, it depends upon the day, Rafael. Rafael, there can be 20 questions in a day, 5 or 50. It depends upon the class and the topic, Rafael. Please do go through the videos of the previous classes. Did you get that? Are you clear with that? Okay. Fine. So never expect only this many or that many questions would be there. It can be more always. I'm giving you the attendance link. Just click on it. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Okay, I think it is under maintenance. It will open. You can try after 1 hour. Okay, have a great day. It will open. You can try it after 1 hour. Okay, Peter? Okay, bye. Have a great day, everyone.